In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy shapes in Lucidchart. If you've ever needed to reuse the same icon, box, or connector without rebuilding it from scratch, this is the quickest way to keep your diagram consistent and save time. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. If you see a sign-in prompt, log into your account so you can access your documents. You'll land on the dashboard where your recent work is front and center. From the dashboard, open a recent document. The recent section usually shows the files you've worked on most recently, so click the one you want to edit. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to find it by name. But once you're in the right document, you're ready to copy. Inside the canvas, click the shape you want to duplicate. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and resizing handles. If you want to copy multiple items together, you can drag a box around them or hold Shift and click each one to add to the selection. Grouped shapes will copy as a single unit, which is handy for labels attached to shapes. With your shape selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. On a Mac, use Command+C. You can also use the Edit menu or right-click and choose Copy. Lucidchart copies the object along with its style, text, and formatting, so the pasted version will match exactly. Now press Ctrl+V to paste the shape onto the canvas. On a Mac, that's Command+V. Each time you paste, Lucidchart adds another copy, typically offset slightly so you can see it. Drag the new shape to the exact spot you want. For precise placement, use the arrow keys to nudge and hold Shift while dragging to keep movement aligned horizontally or vertically. If you're building a row of identical shapes, paste as many times as you need and align them using the smart guides that appear as you move things around. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You can copy and paste to another page in the same document, or even into a different Lucidchart document in the same browser session. For rapid duplication, try holding Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while dragging a shape. That creates a copy as you move it. And remember, copying is a great way to keep formatting consistent across your diagram, making it cleaner and easier to read.